Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a Xiaomi OpenWear Stereo Pro, and you're probably wondering how to use the dedicated app. So pretty much after you connect the headphones to your device by Bluetooth, it will ask you to download the app called Xiaomi Earbuds. So this is the app. Usually you can find it in Google Play. And from here you can see the battery life for the headphones and for the case, and you will have these settings here. So here are the best settings that you can set up just to listen to music. So you go to audio effects, adaptive volume you can leave it off, dimensional audio immersive sound off. Audio balance you can leave it to Harman Master or Enhance Treble. So these two. Additional settings doesn't really matter, dual connection. So that's pretty much it. These are the best settings. You can also just play with them, see which one work better for you. But from what I've researched and tried, just leaving audio balance to Harman Master seems to make the music to sound the best. And that's pretty much it for these headphones. It's a pretty basic app, but it's still nice to have. Alright, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.